Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D model of Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal part. In this tutorial we will learn the basic commands of Autodesk Inventor Sheet Metal and how to construct the flat pattern of a part. Okay, so let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We will select the right side plane, so we will select the YZ plane. Here you can see the right. Take the circle command, make one circle over here and other circle over here. Okay, now go to dimension, define this dia as 15 mm. Okay, and this also 15 mm. Now go to line command, select the center point, a line will be till here and from here to here and from here to this point and join here. Now escape. Now go to dimension, define the dimensions of these circles. Okay, from bottom this will be at a distance of 20. Okay, now this will be at a center to center distance of 25 and this circle from bottom will be at a distance of 45. Okay, now here give this dimension is 40. Okay, now go to tangent constraint, select this and select this. Now you can see this is a fully constrained sketch. Here you can see fully constrained. The color of all the sketch will turn into dark blue. Now here go to circle, from the center point make a circle of diameter 7 and at this point also a diameter of 7 circle. Go to trim, trim this and trim this. Now here go to sheet metal, take face command, select this profile and here click on OK. Now here the by default thickness will be 0.5. So I'll change the thickness, go to sheet metal defaults. Here you can see the thickness of 0.5 mm. Uncheck this, make it as 2.5 and apply. You can see the change. Exit. Now here go to plane and select offset from plane. Select this face and here we will take offset of 12.5. Okay, and press OK. So this plane here will act as a center line or the center plane. Okay, so you can see the plane here. Now go to the mirror command, select this profile, go to mirror plane and select this plane. Press OK. Now you can see a same profile has been constructed over here. Okay. Now select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. Now we have this profile and this profile. Now I want this joining profile at back. Okay. So for the joining profile, go to plane again. Take offset from plane, go to origin. This time we will select the exit plane. Okay. And we will take offset of 15 mm. Go to front. So this will be at a distance of 15 mm from bottom and press OK. Okay, go to home. Now select this plane, go to create sketch. Here go to line command. Select this point and make a joining profile. If you click here or just drag the cursor here, so it will guide you with this dotted line. Okay. So here select this and select this. Escape. Now define the dimension, go to dimension. Select this line and select this bottom. Here give a distance of 50 mm and escape. Okay. Now go to the fillet command. Take a fillet of 7 mm. Select this and select this. Select this line and select this line. Exit. Now finish. Now go to counter flange and select this profile. Okay. Go to top. Here you can see, if I rotate this profile, here you can see the yellow lines. So these are the convert entities. So exit from this, double click the sketch 2, select here, make it construction, select here, make it construction. Okay, if I show you, so these are in construction form. Okay, only the solid lines will be selected. Finish sketch. Now go to counter flange, select this profile. Okay, now you can see only this profile is selected. Now here you can see no result is been shown. So we'll click new solid. Okay, go to top view. So you can see this is coming inside. If you are not seeing like this, it will be click on flip side. So if you have this type of profile, so we'll change the offset direction. Click here, flip side. Okay, so it will merge with this. Go to home, rotate the view. Now you can see here this profile has been made. Now here we will define this as 20 mm distance. Okay, so this distance will be 20 mm. Click on apply, exit. Now you can see we have two bodies, first this and second this. Or you can see from here also solid body 2, solid body 1 and solid body 2. Okay, now we have to combine this. First select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. So to combine them, go to 3D model and click on combine. Select first body, solid 1, and select the second body, solid 2, and press here you can see the join and press OK. Now you can see the line over here is now hidden and this complete has become one body. Here also you can see solid 1. Okay, now go to fillet and we'll give a fillet radius of 5 mm. Go to edge selection, select this edge, select this edge, rotate, select here, select this edge and select this. Press OK. Now go to home. So we have constructed the backside profile, that will be the joining profile. Now we have to construct the bottom mounting profile. Here you can see the mounting profile. Okay, the L bending. So go to the sheet metal and here take the flange, select this edge, rotate and select this edge. Here we are going to take a distance of 20 mm. Go to front. Okay, so this will be the flange. Press OK. Go to home. Now we have to make the mounting holes. You can see two number of holes here and similarly this side also 2 holes. Select this face, go to create sketch. Take the circle command. Make one circle over here and one circle over here. Go to dimension. Define this a dia of 7 mm and from back side center point will be at 7 mm and side edge this will be at 8.5. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Go to equal constraint, select this circle and select this circle. Now they are equal. Now go to dimension. From bottom define this also as 7 mm. Okay, now go to line, make a center line over here, select this green point, make a center line, escape, select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now go to the mirror command, select this circle, go to mirror line and select this center line, apply and done. Okay, now go to sheet metal, take here cut, select all the 4 circles, rotate the view. Here we have a depth of cut as a thickness, so this will be the depth of 2.5 mm. Okay, you can see the red profile, press OK. So this will be the cut profile. Okay, now here we will give the corner radius. So go to corner round, and here take a round of 6 mm radius. Go to corner selection, select all the 4 corners one by one, rotate, select this and select this, press OK. OK. Now from here we will define the appearance. Click on Y. I am defining it yellow. You can give any color as you want. Now I want to make a flat pattern of this. So click on create flat pattern. So it will generate the flat pattern of this profile. Okay. So these are the bending lines, the yellow lines. Okay. Now go back to the folded part. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.